Hello students, today I am going to color in summer season. Now let's start. At first you know that you will start coloring from the sky, but you will not do any color in the sun, leave it white. And at first you will apply lemon yellow or light yellow. And you will apply that color in a circular way, in this way. In this way you will cover all the sky area. And after lemon yellow, then you will use medium yellow. The portion which is near the sun, that part will be darker, and then it will be lighter when it will go away from the sun. This. Look, now I am not coloring in all the sky portion with this color. After that, deep yellow. We will start the coloring from the sun, and then it will be gradually lighter in the outer part. And at last you will use orange color. Any orange you can use. You can use light orange or you can use deep orange. And you will apply that color very lightly, and you will apply that color in a circular way, in this way. And the sky is ready. Now you can apply lemon yellow very lightly only on the outer portion of the sun, very lightly, and leave the inner part white. Now in the bush, first you will apply ultramarine blue very lightly on the bush. I am not showing all the bush. After ultramarine blue you will use sap green, and that color also you will use very lightly, and you will apply that color on ultramarine blue. And then at last you will use Prussian blue in the lower part of the bush. Now this portion, this land and this land, at first you will use lemon yellow very lightly on the upper part, and then in the lower part you will use light green. And after light green you will use yellow ochre on it. And in the stone also, on one side you will use yellow ochre, and in the road also, in the lower part, first you will apply yellow ochre. And the upper part of the road you will leave white. Don't do any color in the upper part of the road. Lower part of the road will be darker and upper part of the road will be lighter. After yellow occur, you will use light brown in the lower part of the road. And you will do the shadow of the human figure also, and other side of the stone also with light brown color. Then with burnt sienna you will apply that color only in the lower part of the road. And in the shadow of the human figure also. And one side of the stone also. Then you will use deep brown. So first yellow occur, then light brown, then burnt sienna, and at last deep brown in the shadow also. Shadow of the trees, and give some brown shadow in the land portion also. Now in the tree, branches and the stem you will use deep brown color first. And you can do these branches with the color directly. In this tree also. After that, use black color on one side of the tree and use black color just on the opposite side of the sun. But don't use that black color very darkly. You will use that color lightly. The stone also. Now use deep orange to do some flowers on the trees. Just give some strokes of this color, some dots. Then with red and light brown you will use light brown in this tree also, and then use sap green and use Prussian blue. And if you want, you can use burnt sienna also. Now in the hut, at first you will use yellow ochre on the roof of the hut. I will not show both the hut, only one hut I will show you. And in the lower part of the roof, you will use orange and then give brown shadow. Leave the wall of the hut white, only will give grey shadow on one side, and other part you will leave white, and then brown, and door and window with black. Now in the umbrella, first you will apply ultramarine blue in the lower part of the umbrella and leave the upper part of the umbrella white. And then with Prussian blue you will give some shade And after Prussian blue, black, and you will use that black color very lightly, you know that. In the dress you may do any color. I am using yellow color here very lightly, or if you want you can use any other color. Then with orange color I am giving some stripes, and with yellow ochre I am giving some shadow on it. The trouser, first cerulean blue. If you want you can do any other color also, I told you before. And then with Prussian blue you will do some shadow on one side. You will apply Prussian blue in the shoes also, and then use black color on it and give some black shadow also in the shadow. In the hand apply yellow ochre and then brown. The color is completed, and when it will complete it will look like this. Everybody practice this one. Next day I will show you a new drawing. Thank you.